How to use the Huepar Tools Cordless Rotary Tool RT4 APEX. RT4 APEX is one of the special member of Huepar Tools family. RT4's cordless mini rotary tool series, including RT4 Basic, RT4 Pro, and RT4 APEX. In this video, we will briefly introduce how to use the RT4 APEX. Firstly, let's know about the advantages of mini rotary tool or RT4 APEX. The cordless rotary tool has 5 speeds to meet the different needs of your DIY creations, equipped with high performance and powerful motor. It is easy to handle different craft projects and DIY creation scenarios. The rotary tool comes with a powerful 2000 mAh lithium battery that works longer than other rotary tools and a Type-C charging port for easy charging anywhere. Fully charged quickly in just 1 to 1.5 hours. This mini rotary tool set includes 36 high-quality rotary tool accessories to make the product more durable. The aluminum color provides higher and more stable flexibility. After a long time of use, it still maintains the required precision and effectively prevents the fitting from falling off. The body has multiple ventilation holes to prevent overheating during long hours of work, and the motor has overload protection. The compact and lightweight design allows you to carry and use it anywhere. The soft grip handle fits perfectly in your hand, allowing you to work for long hours with it. Next, let's give a quick overview of all parts of RT4 APEX. High-quality sanding band, diamond wheel point, aluminum oxide grinding stone, steel brush, mandrel of cutter wheel, drill bit, wrench, drum mandrel of felt wheel, engraving bit, stainless wheel, diamond wheel, high-quality felt wheel, sanding disc, high-quality cutter wheel with fiberglass, rotary tool, USB cable, accessory box. Now, let's start introduce the steps to replace accessories. The soft lock button and the collar nut. Install the sanding band. Install the cut-off wheels, sanding paper. Install the felt wheel. Step 1. Press the soft lock button. Step 2. Unscrew the collar nut. Step 3. Replacement accessories and fix. Once all you're finished, please use the wrench to tighten the nut and ensure the accessories are securely installed. How to fit a sanding band. Step 1. Unscrew all the nut of the sanding shank. Step 2. Install the sanding band. Step 3. Tighten the nut of the sanding shank using wrench. Step 4. Insert the sanding shank into the rotary tool and tighten the black nut. How to fit the cut-off wheel, sanding paper. Step 1. Unscrew off the nut of the mandrel. Step 2. Install the cut-off wheels, sanding paper with one red washer on each side. Step 3. Tighten the nut of the mandrel to finish the installation. Step 4. Insert the shank into the rotary tool and tighten the black nut. How to fit the felt wheel. Align the felt wheel hole with mandrel and twist clockwise. RT4 APEX is suitable for various DIY creative or craft work, such as sanding, drilling, polishing, carving, cutting, cleaning, sharpening, and other activities. Use precautions. Please use the correct accessories with reasonable speed specification, and prepare relevant protective measures, such as wearing goggles or gloves. Charging the cordless rotary tool every 3 to 6 months will prolong the life of your rotary tool cordless if you don't use it often. When you use a wrench to tighten the collar nut, do not over-tighten the chuck to avoid damaging the locking shaft.